AI powers all sorts of stuff. It powers our credit score. It powers our facial recognition on our phone. It powers our chat messages with ChatGPT. It makes videos. But if you look under the hood of all these, there's actually order. We can split every single one of these AIs into two distinct model behaviors, the rule followers and the risk takers. So the rule followers use what's known as deterministic models. So all the machine learning models you may have heard of, optimization models, these are all deterministic because if you have the same data set, the same raw data, and you run it through your AI model, you're going to get the exact same result. If John does it, if Sally does it, if everyone does it, they're going to get it down to the decimal, the exact same result. And this is really good when you need accuracy. So think if you're FedEx and you're trying to do some route optimization, if it's 20% different than the next guy that calculated it, that could mean loss in fuel. Credit scores are one where it's deterministic. If you put all the same facts about that person into the math, it's going to spit out the same FICO score each and every time. So that's deterministic. And there's a whole class of AI models that fall into that. We can see some of these here on the screen. Now, this other category, the risk takers, are called probabilistic models. So, or you could also call them stochastic models. And all this means is if you give the exact same data to two different people, you are going to get different results every time because there's a little bit of randomization baked into the math. And that's actually a good thing when you want a little bit of creativity. Otherwise, imagine if you're using ChatGPT to do your customer service, it's going to sound literally very robotic. And so you want a little bit of creativity. So your image generation tools, a lot of your video generation tools, certainly all the chatbots that you talk about, recommendation engines, so whatever Netflix is going to serve you up next. All this is probabilistic AI models, and there's all different kinds, and we'll talk about those in another video.